everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about my experience getting Chanel costume jewelry repaired. So yeah, this has been something that we have talked about on and off on my channel for a while, that the Chanel costume jewelry, it's not a matter of if something will happen to it, if it will lose stones, if it will tarnish, if. It's a matter of when, because it, of course, it is going to. That is the nature of costume jewelry that's held together by glue, is that eventually something will occur to it in its lifetime, unless you're like archiving it. If you're wearing it every day, something's gonna happen to it. So these two pieces are actually two of my really super favorite Chanel costume jewelry pieces. I had some other pieces that I actually sold to some friends on Instagram for like a huge discount because they were missing stones. But then I was at the Chanel boutique the other day and my fashion advisor told me, like, some people came in asking about repairs and they're like, no, we can't help repair the pillow. You have to take it to a seat. Like, they were asking about a few different repairs. But in terms of replacing the rhinestones on the fashion jewelry, they're like, oh yeah, we can absolutely do that. And so I was asking about it a little bit. This was a while back. I was asking about it a little bit and they were like, yes, we will replace the rhinestones on fashion jewelry. But the thing you have to know about it is it costs the same whether you're replacing one stone or like 4 stones. So wear it as much as you can, or like wear it for the full season, lose as many stones as you can before you bring it in for repair. So probably around, I think it was after Christmas, I brought these items in, just loose in my hand. I didn't need any paperwork or anything like that. But it was at the boutique where they know me. So you may need paperwork if you're going somewhere else. I don't know, but this is just my experience. So I went back to exactly where I purchased these items. Actually, not exactly where, because this one I purchased in New York. But anyway, the boutique where they know me, where I shop all the time. And just brought them in loose in my hand in like a little pouch and handed them off, and they filled out the paperwork and they got sent away. And so that was the end of December. And then I actually got these back. I've been sitting on them for a while. I got them back in, I want to say middle of February, end of January, middle of February. So it was probably about 6 weeks that they were gone for repair, and they were returned to me like these, in these little boxes, these little, like, this is a velvet box. And then this is like a cardboard box. Oh my God, we talk. So in here, boop, the little bubble wrap, and inside you can see my little star earrings. Literally every single one of the tiny crystals in these earrings fell out, was kaput, was gone. I should have taken video before, but now they're like better than ever, totally replaced. I will say, I don't know, I mean, who's to say? The earring backs did come back a little tarnished. Like, they didn't fix or fiddle with the earring backs. Like, it's fully green. The earring back is fully green, which I was kind of like, oh, we didn't get like new earring back. Like, it's not like a full refurbishment. It's literally just replacing the rhinestones. And the other thing that I learned about it is I think I saw in the receipt it was going to cost something like $50. But the fee was waived in my circumstance, I believe, because oh wait. Okay. Hold on, Chanel. Hold on. So they included my old crusty original earring backs. And they did give me new ones. Okay, wait, you guys. So they did get a little like refurbishment situation. Wow, I am such a hater. Okay, so for 50 bucks or something like that, I don't know, because the fee, like I said, was waived in my case. If you are gonna spend an obnoxious amount of money at Chanel, they might gift you a refurbishment every once in a while, but Oh, cute. Okay, so they totally cleaned it up and gave me a brand new backing look. No green. Wow, I'm such a hater. You guys. Okay. But now they're like as good as new. So cute. And they gave me my crusty old backings back because knowing how Chanel clients are such haters, they would probably also complain, like, where are my crusty old backings? You took them from me. Like me, I'm like, oh, so you just give me my crusty old backings back. Wow. You know, it's really the small things. I know you're like, Maddie, are you getting excited over a 10-cent earring backing? And my response to that is yes, because I was upset over a 10-cent earring backing. Now I can also be happy over a 10-cent earring backing. But yeah, they replaced all the crystals and I just think it looks really, 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 really good. I don't know if it's focusing because it's like so dark. And these are some of my favorites. And because of these earrings, I low-key, high-key want to get the fine jewelry Chanel star earrings too. Another thing, another day. Okay, and then in this box I was like, this is like a legitimate little box. So for the low, low price of $50 and or free, depending on how much you're willing to spend at Chanel in a given calendar year, you too could have one of these $5 Amazon jewelry boxes and a piece of bubble wrap. This necklace, I literally wore to hell and back again. This is the Metier d'Or pearl necklace. I wore this like every freaking day of summer. And I swear, like this CC had 0 crystals left. Because you're like wearing it on your neck and it's like rubbing on your skin and like I wear perfume and stuff. Like, listen, life happens, crystals fall out. But now it's literally like a brand new necklace. I'm like checking the whole thing. It looks amazing. And that was the funny part too, is like my fashion advisor, when the necklace came back, they were like, oh, like check it, how does it look? And I was like, it looks good. And they were like, what was wrong with it? I was like, literally every single crystal was out. They're like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Maybe it'd be easier if I put it here. Look at how pretty. So this is from the Dakar collection. I got it in New York. So that was, I want to say it was 2023. And then I literally wore it every single freaking day of summer. Also stars. And indeed all of the crystals did fall out, which I guess should you get an award if all of the crystals fall out, but you're able to put them back in without it looking crazy? Do you get an award for that, or should they have not fallen out in the first place? Listen, we all know. We all know when you get a Chanel costume jewelry thing, you just know, things live, die. Oh, so cute. Should I add it to my stack today? That's kind of a lot. I already have this star one, which I'm going to wear till all the crystals fall out and then get it replaced and then get another one of these Amazon boxes. Such a brat. Okay, I'm gonna try and put this on without cracking myself up too much. Oh, cute. Okay, that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to you. I hope if you have some Chanel jewelry sitting in the back of your closet because it is lost all its crystals, that this motivates you to take it into the shop and get it repaired. And even if I did have to pay the fee, I think it's worth it for like a brand new pair, like, of Chanel earrings. Plus fresh backs, right? Oh God. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you and we have so much fun here, and I hope you stay tuned for the next one. So I will talk to you guys later. All right, bye.